What's up, my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So let me ask you a question. You ever have one of those like gloomy days, kind of like today in New Jersey, where you're like, crap, I have errands to run and I just do not feel like looking presentable today. And then you go into the store and then boom, you run into somebody that you know or that you haven't seen in a really long time or that you think is maybe kind of cute and you're like, crap, I forgot to put makeup on. What do I do? No worries. I'm going to show you how to do a quick I have to run errands look. You can still look cute while running errands. Why do you have to like not look cute? But you don't have to do a full face of makeup. Because who's got time to do a full face of makeup when you're busy running errands? But you want to look cute, right? Of course you want to look cute. So sit back, relax. We're gonna do this in like 10 minutes and grab a cup of coffee, snack, tea, and let's get going. We've got errands to run, girl. We're gonna start off with your hydrating BB cream or powder, any type of face powder, anything that'll just cover your face, just doesn't really matter. I'm also gonna put my concealer on at the exact same time so that way we can save some time and just blend it all in. I've been finding that to be a lot more helpful than doing it separately because that way like everything kind of just looks blended in all at once. I think I need a new one. I love it when it just does that. Don't you love that? Okay. So today I'm using the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh BB cream in the shade 110 light medium, and it has SPF in it, so I'm good with that. And then we're using the LA Girl Pro, I know, look ridiculous, LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealer in the color light Classic Ivory. Just gonna put that underneath here. Very quick, very simple, nothing crazy. Bing, bang, boom, done. Take a brush. Just like that. So let me tell you guys, so I've been learning how to do my nails more and more and more, and I've actually been doing them a little too much, and it's been actually been kind of ruining my nails a little bit. But I decided to do a little bit something wild and go almond shape, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of digging the shape. And once I have it down, the process down to less than 4 hours, I will let you guys know. I will show you, start making some videos about it. Okay. Next, we're just gonna do a quick eye. And when I say quick, I mean quick. We're gonna do some mascara where I'm using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll because it's just a quick little eye lift there. Oh, I got hair in my eye. And I got mascara on my under eye. Fantastic. Yeah, so it's been taking me a minute to learn how, it's just the soaking off part that's annoying for the nails, but other than that, the application itself isn't so bad. But I also need to figure out a way to do it where I don't have to file or soak off my nail polish every time I want to put a new color on, or every time, like if I don't want to, I would love to try and learn how to do a fill on Gel X nails. Let's just put it that way. But yeah, like, I mean, how often do you go into the store and be like, oh crap, I look like today? And, like you run into somebody and you're like, hey, I know you. Look at me. I don't look like greatness today. Okay, so we are going to do a little bit of an eyeshadow, but normally what I do is I usually just take whatever remnants is left over from whatever look I was doing before, but I don't think I have the ability to do that because I cleaned them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of it's from the Cream and Sugar palette from e.l.f. I'm just going to go in with this one, and I'm literally just going to do a quick whoosh over. So that way you have some color on your eye, but nothing crazy. And usually the color that I have left over is more of a darker brown, so I'm just going to go in with the darker brown over here and just swipe it on. That was a little much, but you get my drift. Like, I literally just go whoosh and then done. Whoosh and then I'm done. See? Okay, and then what I think I'm going to do for my blush, again, I'm just going to do a swipe across. I think we're just going to do my CoverGirl Cheekers. It's simple, it's easy, it's quick, and it just gives you that nice little subtle I have blush on look. Put on top of the forehead, and then go in with your lip. You can do a balm, you can do a lipstick. I'm going with my NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip Fat Oil in the color Supermodel, as I normally do. Here's a little bit more time. Let's do some highlight. Swipe that. And swipe that. Okay, let's blend that in just a teeny smidgen. So then after you're done with that, you take your setting spray, set your face, and then you're done. Boom! Simple, easy, less than 10 minutes. You're out the door. You look better than you look good. You feel good. You can go to the store and not have to worry about running into anybody that you know and looking like you're dead. So, if you like these types of videos, dupes, tricks, tips, hacks, first impression reviews, is it worth the videos, how-to videos, and all that jam, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, just every Tuesday and Friday. Everything that I've used today will be listed down below as usual, and I look forward to seeing you again soon, my little butterflies. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I'll see you soon. Okay, love you. Bye.